This is a Weesby.
So you guys, we are in my bathroom. You already know what we are doing. We are going to do a protective style today, but we are also going to do my hair trim. Look at this. This is from Ponytails. See there? You got short hair right here. That means your hair is being pulled out of the ponytails. Okay? So don't always keep a high ponytail on top of your head. But anyways, if you are new to this channel, today we are doing a protective style and a trim today. Here at this channel, we try to find ingredients that are good and safe for our hair. Normally I try to go for foods because, you know, you are what you eat. And if you can't eat it, you shouldn't apply it to your hair or your skin. And if you are new to this channel and you like this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, then hit that notification bell so you know when I have uploaded some new self-care videos, okay? Alright, so we are going to do, I'm going to keep my parts, my quarter parts, and then we're going to part them into some more quarters, and then as we part them in quarters, we are going to trim as we go. Right now I'm going to do some twists. I would have done some braids, but hair wash day is right around the corner, so I just want to be able to take everything out as quickly as possible, and the best way to do that is to do it with twist. So yeah. Alright you guys, so now I am here taking down the last braid of my hair. As you can see, it's a little struggle because my ends keep getting tangled, but we're going to go ahead and trim those off so my hair is more manageable. And as you can see, we're going to shake her out real good, give me a little scalp massage, and then we're going to part her up and then comb her out. Alright you guys, so we have fully taken down our hair. I'm going to give us a good little scalp rub to get things going and circulated. And I'm really enjoying this braid out because it really looks good. I just got to get the frizzies down on top. Alright, so as I said, we are going to keep the quarters. This is about to be an arm workout. Alright you guys, so we are going to start in the back. We're going to go ahead and divide her up into smaller sections. That way I can get a good even trim and not have like my hair uneven in certain sections. So we're going to go ahead and take this piece and wrap it around another piece so that it can stay out of my way. I am making sure that my part is extremely straight because, as I said, I want my hair all nice and neat. and even. So we're gonna use my homemade detangler. You guys, I have to tell you that I have been using the flaxseed gel and vinegar mixture. So I went ahead and made another batch just for me to use for my hair and my family's hair. And then the batch that we are experimenting on to see how long it will last is now being put up in the closet so I don't touch it. So the new mixture that I just created consists of vinegar, flaxseed gel, castor oil, amla oil, and avocado oil. So I had a mixture of avocado oil that was being steeped with seaweed, rosemary, and onion. And those products are, well, not products, those herbs, that herb, that onion, and that seaweed is so good for your hair. So that's going to really boost my hair growth and hopefully boost the thickness of my hair. I know castor oil really helps with the thickness of your hair, but and the length, and rosemary is really, really good on your hair too. And seaweed, oh my gosh, seaweed. That seaweed mask had my hair feeling so freaking good, okay? So what I'm doing here now is I went ahead and twisted my hair up, and then the two strands, I'm going to trim them individually. So, and then I'm trimming it at a 45-degree angle, because when you do a blunt cut on your hair, it makes your hair feel like it's being tortured. You got to think about it like as a plant. So when you go and you trim your plants down, what they tell you to trim it at a 45-degree angle, because when trimming plants at a 45-degree angle, the primary reason is to maximize the surface area of the cut, allowing for better water drainage and minimizing the risk of disease by preventing water from pooling on the cut surface. This is especially important when cutting flower stems to help them absorb more water in the vase. It increases water uptake, helps with water drainage, and is aesthetically appealing. Now, it also helps to extend the life of your plants or your flowers. And not only that, it helps promote growth. So it has me wondering, so if I'm trimming my hair at a 45-degree angle, does it stop my ends from splitting as much as if I were to get a blunt cut? You know what I'm saying? Because it's at an angle and it's not straight. So would it split at an angle, or like how does that work? You know what I'm saying? Trimming hair at a 45-degree angle is often used to create a softer, more natural transition between different hair lengths, resulting in a layered and textured look, as this angle allows for gradual graduation and avoids harsh lines, making it ideal for achieving a blended flowing appearance and haircut. So it says cutting curly hair at a 45-degree angle does not inherently cause split ends. In fact, it can often be a beneficial technique for curly hair, as it helps to create a softer, more textured look by removing weight from the ends, which can reduce breakage and prevent further split ends when done correctly by a skilled stylist. Now let me tell you, I have been trimming my hair, I think, all the time, the most of the time. Sometimes I would have my friends who I know are hairstylists. I would have them trim my hair for me. But I have been doing it myself for the last 10 years. So and I can say that I've been doing a really good job at trimming my hair. I'm really happy with my hair, and I know that when it's time to trim my hair, I may not trim as much off as I should, but it's my hair. So I'm just used to, doing it myself, and practice makes perfect. So here I am doing the top section of the part, and I have split the pieces in half, and I just cut, I would say I cut about a centimeter off each cut. So you're looking at what, maybe like a half an inch maybe of a cut of trimmed hair. And now I'm just going to twist it down to keep it protected and keep it from just getting tangled and becoming frizzy and just being in a place where it doesn't want to be. And protective styles not only protect my hair, but also you know keeps a good relationship between me and my hair, because the last thing I want to do, or the last thing I want, is for my hair to get tangled and then be upset with the fact that I have to sit here and detangle my hair. And sometimes it takes hours. And protective styles really help keep my hair in a state where my hair and I are both happy with each other. So my hair is protected and she's detangled, and when I want to switch my styles around, or when I'm ready to wash my hair, and then after washing my hair detangling it, it's easier for the process, so it's just an easier process between the both of us, because my hair is its own entity, you know just like anything else on my body. Everything on your body is its own entity. So my hair, me and her, we have to respect each other. So, and in order for us to respect each other, I have to do my part so she can do her part. Okay? So now we are starting on the next side of my hair. And I am doing this thing where I'm taking two strands and I'm putting one strand in my mouth. And the flavor of my detangler is not a good flavor. However, I can safely put this product in my mouth without having to call poison control. You know what I'm saying? So, but as you can see that I was taking both strands, putting one in my mouth, and then trimming the other, and then switching the strands placements. Man, I gotta say, this homemade detangler is freaking doing its job, okay? And I'm saying, like, I'm just putting a dime amount, maybe it's about 20 cents amount, to get my hair to do her job, you know what I'm saying? So, maybe like 2 or 3 drops of my detangler, and look how easy my hair was to detangle. I mean, I did just take it out of not dreads, take it out of braids, so that also helped. But I could just apply this detangler to my ends, and my ends were instantly detangled. And I can get through my hair with no stopping points, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. But let me tell you, I'm really, really happy with these results. And this is how I knew that I needed to trim one more time, is when I started to twist my hair and my hair still was getting caught at the end. So this is what made me do the 2-strand trim. Alright, you guys, so now we are in the front of my hair. We are halfway done. Let me go ahead and wrap all these little strands together so they can get out of my way.
go ahead and part that section right there, wrap that up so that can get out of my way, and get this one back in order because it was falling over, and use that detangling mixture. Look at that. You see that? That was just one comb through and it got it right through with that detangling mixture. So proud of it. Alright, y'all, so now we are at the top of my head. Go ahead and put that detangling mixture on top of there. I gotta say, I did have it in a spray bottle, however I did not strain it out good enough. So I guess what happened was some of the flaxseed gel got caught into the spray. So I have to figure out if I want to put the mixture in the jar, like a squeeze bottle, or how I can better strain it to so that way it can be in a spray bottle. So because I'm so used to saying a detangling spray, so now it's like, now what can I call it? A leave-in conditioner, I guess, because leave-in conditioners are really good at detangling your hair too. So we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so it looks like my hair is not cooperating how I wanted it to. So I had to take out the twist and style it in a different way. So I had it going from where it starts at my brow and then ends at my ear, but it wasn't holding as well as I wanted it to. So I went ahead and just did a regular twist on it, and I'm pretty happy with it, and it's gonna stay in place and it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. So now we are at the center top of my head and we're gonna get through this. We are done, we are done, we are done, and I'm super happy. As you can see, your girl is done. I can't wait to see how my hair reacts to this 45 angle trim next month. I can't wait to see it. You guys, look at how much hair I trimmed off. It didn't even look like I trimmed off a lot, but
Alright, you guys, so we are done with my hair. I'm so freaking happy. She has been trimmed. She is happy. Like, I can really get through my hair when I'm combing it out now. It's not getting tangled at the end. And it's all even. So I did a pretty good job. You know. Some sections I could have cut off a little bit more, but you know, I get to there in another 6 months. So, you know, we're working on length. Actually, thickness and length, that's what we're working on. And just an overall healthy scalp, healthy hair product. Well, do I want to call it product? No. Just a healthy lifestyle for your hair and your scalp. Alright, you guys, so we are about to get up out of here. I'm about to put this in my compost because this is good in nitrogen and iron and phosphorus. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the compost. And until next time, baby, it's your girl, annoying as Didi. Peace, love, and shea butter.